The surgeon told me to never throw beet peels in the trash again, as they could save your life. Here we have a whole beetroot. I'm going to peel it. And let me know which city you're watching from. You can consume the beet, but I'll show you soon what we're going to do with the peel. After you learn this, you'll never throw the peel away again. Among the benefits it brings to the body, it helps fight anemia, excessive fluid loss, spleen and liver problems, constipation, and more. It can be consumed raw or cooked in juices, salads, cakes, stir-fries, and omelets. All done. It's peeled. See how many benefits it offers your body, and there's much more. Now you can consume the beetroot without worry. Now for the peel. We're going to do something surprising, which will be very beneficial for you. It helps control blood pressure, strengthens immunity, aids in detoxifying the body from toxins, and much more. Well, folks, the peel is great. But now let's move on to the next step in our tip. This will benefit you greatly. Do you know the benefits of beetroot tea? Come with me. Guys, we put the beet peel into a pot. Then, we'll add a clove of garlic and 500 milliliters of water. Garlic is a good ally for those wanting to get rid of coughs because of its expectorant properties. Now, turn on the heat and let it boil. Done. Now let's move to the next step. Stay until the end of the video. This will help you a lot. Now pour the beet water into a cup. To sweeten it a bit, I'm going to add honey. Honey can strengthen our immune system, promote good digestion, and even help with constipation. But its benefits don't stop there. And leave a comment with the word beetroot, so I'll know you watched our video up to this point. Now, add a spoonful of olive oil. It may seem strange, but olive oil also has health benefits. It has anti-inflammatory properties, prevents cardiovascular diseases, and reduces the risk of diabetes. This will cleanse your body. So, folks, what did you think of that? Leave your rating from 0 to 10 and comment beetroot, so I know you watched the video until the end. Well, my dear ones, I really hope you enjoyed it. God bless, and see you tomorrow.